You gave me the letter. I guess it was July. You said we'll be better.
Hi Jenny lovers, how are you all doing today? Okay, so today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing a product. Okay, yes, a hair product for you all to see. Okay, and this hair product is really beautiful and affordable. Like I always say, it's really that affordable. So you guys, I won't take so much of your time. I'll go straight into the video. So this is my hair that I want to unbox for you guys to see. It is so beautiful, but this time around I am not reviewing a bone straight or a human hair wig. Okay, you guys, I'm reviewing a braided wig. Yes, so this is for those of my my Barbies that cannot sit for braids. They can't sit for small braids or big braids. They can't just sit for braids, like they don't have that time, or they are lazy too. There are some people like that, people like me. However, I love the hair, I love braids, and I know that a lot of you out there, a lot of you black women, love braids as well, but some of you just can't sit for it. So if you are that type of woman, or you are in this category just like me, you need this product. You need this. Okay, this is it. So this is how it comes. I'm going to unbox it straight from the park, right? So oh my god, oh my god, you guys, oh my god, you guys, can you see this? Wow, the beads at the tail end is something else. It's lovely. These beads at the tail end right here, it's very lovely, and the braids itself was neatly made. Let me bring it closer to the camera so you guys can see what I'm talking about. It is highly and neatly made. Then talk about this. This is a full lace braids. Can you see? This is a full lace. Like, it's not half lace, it's not just a frontal they used, and it's not just a closure they used. This is a full lace hair. Can you see this? Yes, and it also comes with baby hair, you guys. It comes with baby hair. You can see the baby hair here. So I'm going to be styling this on my hair and reviewing the product for you guys. Okay, so if you want this product, if you really genuinely like this product, like I always say, contact me here on YouTube, or send me a DM on my Instagram handle, or simply send me an email, and I'm going to get your message, and then I'll get this hair right to your doorstep. Right to your doorstep. It's very chic, very beautiful, and very, very affordable, you guys. Okay, so I'm sure most of you will be like, how much is it? How much is it? Let's us hear what the amount is. It's very, very affordable. This hair, you're going to get it for just 50,000 naira for now. For now. Okay, so right now I'm going to prep my face off camera and come back and show you the styling of this hair. You guys, do not go anywhere. Do not go anywhere. Ta-da! So guys, this is the final look. I just finished installing my full lace braids, okay, and I bet it looks so beautiful. Yes, I know it does. I know it does. It looks so beautiful, right? Okay, so right now I'm going to do a 360 for you guys to see what it actually looks like. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. I look so sweet right now. Yes, I can tell. I know. I look so sweet right now, you guys. So this is a full lace hair, okay, and it has 40 strands. As you can see, it is quite tiny. It is not a big size braids. This is a tiny one, okay, and then it has beads by the tip. Can you see that? Yeah, it does. It has beads by the tip. So you guys, and this hair is in color 1, okay, but you can get it in any color of your choice, okay. So if you want to order for this hair, just tell me you want the braids, the full lace braids of 40 strands, okay, and then you can get exactly this size. So you get exactly this size of braids, of box braids, and you know, and exactly how it looks on me. So you guys, how do you see my hair? And also style this hair anyhow you want. You can make an updo here. You can take it to the back, like an all back, like the way I just did, okay. And you can decide to even, you know, fly your hair. So any way you want to style this hair, it is doable, and it's going to look so beautiful. It's going to come out looking so beautiful, okay. So this hair is like a 10 in 1 hair. It's like a 10 in 1 hair. So don't sleep on this one. Do not sleep on this one. It is just 50,000 naira. You can afford it. It is so affordable. I mean, it is so affordable. So thank you so much for watching. And if you are new to my channel, here I do videos about hair, do it yourself hair, do it yourself makeup, do it yourself everything beauty and fashion, okay. So if you want to learn how to make braids, if you want to learn how to install your frontals and what have you, you're welcome to my channel. And if this is the kind of video you enjoy watching, please do well to subscribe to my channel and turn on all the notification bells so you'll be the first person to get notified once I upload a new video. And to my return subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you to you guys. You guys are awesome, okay. Continue engaging on my videos, and I love you so much, you guys. So also I also review products, hair products, makeup products on my channel. So if you want me to review a particular product for you guys, let me know what you want me to review in the comment section and I'll get right to it, okay. Yes, so you guys, this is what the hair looks like. Yes, and I am waiting to start seeing your messages, your emails, your DMs. Bombard me with your emails. Bombard me, you guys. Bombard me, okay? So rush while the stock still lasts, okay, you guys? So maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. Seen it right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a